Hi everyone, Cindy Squirrel here. Well, it's not just women that stop off at the greenhouse to buy more plants. I was done, completely done. Didn't want any more plants, didn't have any more room for any plants. Bob goes for a drive today, goes to a new greenhouse, and look what he gets me. We have a French tarragon. We have this beautiful basil, some rosemary, and this is what he wanted to get me, was lavender. So he got me 3 things of lavender, and then this beautiful sage plant, and this lemon verbena. Oh my gosh, just, oh, it smells like lemons. This plant is going in my bedroom. Oh, it's beautiful smelling. So, this is not my fault. It's his fault. I've got more plants.